What is up YouTube? Johnny B here again today, and we're gonna be bringing you an exhaust video. We took the stock exhaust off and we're gonna be doing a Tomei 80R install. This is one of the exhausts that I had in my collection, and it's a really nice sounding exhaust. It's over $1,000. It's made out of titanium. It's a 3-inch with a big old cannon tip muffler. One of those two. I call them fart cans. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. We're gonna see how it sounds, drive around with it a bit, and show you guys what it sounds like. If you guys are interested in getting this exhaust for your car, you'll be able to hear some sound clips and yeah, see if it convinces you. If not, I got some more exhaust to test out. So let's get this exhaust installed. Here is the Tomei 80 in all its glory. A little dirty because it's a used one, but it should still do the job and sound the same. Let's get the stock one off, get the Tomei on, and then give it a little wash, and then take it for some pictures, a little cinematic shots as well, to make it, you know, to see how it looks after we've done all these months. Tomei 80 bolted right up to the stock front pipe. I just had to use some 12mm bolts and nuts. So any of the hardware that I had was way too thick. So stepping down to a 12mm and reusing the 12mm nut that comes on the factory hardware solved my issue. There's a gap, but it's literally sitting on the donut, so it fits perfect. It's so nice how it went together, and it fits just really well. So now I guess we get to hear it. Yep.